Welcome to Parsal Evening Classes. Today we are studying class 10, chapter 4. Name of the chapter is Quadratic Equation. Today we are going to start exercise number 4.2, question number 1, in which we are going to find the roots of the equations by the method factorization. Today we will study how to find the roots by what? Factorization. So focus on the board. We are going to start with the first question. That is what? X square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. First, we will compare our given question with the standard general quadratic equation. That is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. हम पहले क्या करेंगे, हमारे दिए गए क्वेश्चन को कंपेयर करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड जनरल इक्वेशन से. ऑन कंपेयरिंग आई गेट व्हाट? The value of A is at 1. The value of B is what? Minus 3. And the value of C is what? Minus 10. In factorization, what we do? We multiply A and C. 1 multiplied by minus 10. 1 multiplied by minus 10. From here, I get minus 10. अब हमें क्या करना है? माइनस 10 को ब्रेक करना है दो नंबर में, सच दैट उन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई कितनी आनी चाहिए? माइनस 10. उन दोनों का एडिशन कितना आना चाहिए हमारे पास? माइनस 3. सो वी विल ब्रेक माइनस 10 एज माइनस 5 एंड 2 सच दैट माइनस 5 मल्टीप्लाई 2 आई गेट माइनस 10, माइनस 5 प्लस 2 आई गेट माइनस 3. सो वी विल ब्रेक माइनस 3 एज माइनस 5 and 2. So I get what? X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. Got it? Now next step, we will make pair of these two. We will make pair of these two. So we will do what? Take out common what? X. क्या बचेगा? X minus 5. Next 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Common is what? 2. I get x minus 5 equals to 0. In the next step, common is what? X minus 5. क्या बचेगा? X plus 2 equals to 0. Clear? Now focus. Multiply of two things is 0. It means either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. That means x minus 5 equals to 0. I get x equals to 5. In the same way, x plus 2 equals to 0. I get x equals to minus 2. So these are the roots of the given question. Clear? Now we are going to do our second part. In the second part, again we will find the value of a, B and C. We will apply the same concept. Focus. The value of A is what? 2. The value of B is at 1. A की value 2, B की value 1, and the value of C. C is what? Minus 6. Now we will do multiply. Plus into minus, minus 6 2s are 12. Am I clear? Now we will break 12 into two parts such that addition पे कितना आना चाहिए हमारा? 1. So we will break minus 12 as minus 3 and 4, because minus 3 multiply 4 I get what? Minus 12. But when I add these two values I get what? Plus 1. Clear है? So we will write 2x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. हमने किया क्या? हमने x को ब्रेक कर दिया minus 4x plus 4x. Is it clear? Next step, focus. यहाँ 2, यहाँ 3, कुछ कॉमन नहीं आएगा. x कितने बार है? 2 बार. x कितने बार है? 1 बार. कॉमन आएगा 1 बार. x is what? Common. I get what? 2x minus 3. Clear है? In the same way, focus on the next step. Just wait. Here is what? 6. By mistake I get 12. Now focus. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. The common is 2. क्या बचेगा? 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Am I clear? In the next step, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. क्या आ गया? Common. I get what? From here I get x plus 2 equals to 0. From here again 2 ways. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. 2x equals to 3. X की value 3 by 2. In the same way, x plus 2 equals to 0. I get x equals to minus 2. So these are the roots of the given part. Clear? Now focus. We will discuss part number 3rd by the same method. You can just find the values of a, b and c. You can see the value of b, the value of a and the value of c. Value of a is what? Root 2. We can write. The value of b is what? 7. And the value of c is what? That is 5 under root 2. Clear hai? Now we will multiply a with c. I get under root 2 multiply 5 under root 2. I get 5 2s are 10. Clear hai? Now we will break 10 into 2 parts such that I will get what? 7. So I will break 2 and 5. Clear hai? 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 7. So focus. Under root 2 x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 under root 2 equals to 0. Clear? Now we can write 2 as under root 2 under root 2. So कॉमन क्या आने वाला है? एक तो कॉमन आएगा under root 2 और एक कॉमन आएगा हमारा x. So I get what? Under root 2x. क्लियर है? तो क्या बचेगा? यहां बचा x, यहां से बचेगा ओनली अंडर रूट 2. Am I clear? Now focus. Next step 5x 5 root 2 कॉमन आएगा 5. I get what? x plus under root 2 equals to 0. Am I clear? Now next step x plus under root 2 क्या आया? कॉमन. यहां पे क्या बचेगा हमारा? Under root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Clear? Again we are having two ways. X plus under root 2 equals to 0. X की value minus under root 2. Clear? First root, second root. Under root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. From here under root 2x equals to plus will become minus. Next, x equals to minus 5 upon under root 2. So these are the roots of the third part. I hope all students are getting very easily because these parts are very easy. Factorization is very easy if you can do this step. Means break the middle term into 2 parts. Now focus the part number 4. Before finding out the values of a, b and c, first take what? LCM. हम क्या लेंगे? LCM. Focus. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 8. LCM of 1, 1, 8 is what? 8. LCM I get 8 equals to 0. Next step 1 8 za 2 8 za 16 minus 1 8 za 8 1 za 8 8 1 za 8. It means 1 1 za 1. Clear? Next step 8 will go and become 0. So the final equation is what? 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. The value of a is what? 16. The value of b is what? Minus 8. And the value of c is what? 1. So A की वैल्यू I get 16, B की वैल्यू I get -8, the value of C I get 1. Now multiply A and C. 16 1 16. हमें ब्रेक करना है इसको टू पार्ट्स में such that I require -8. So I will break 16 as -4 because minus to minus plus 4 4s are 16. But when you add you get what? -8. Clear? Now 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. हमने क्या किया? -8x को ब्रेक कर दिया. -4 clear है? Now next है 16 and 4. The common is 4. X square and x common is x. क्या बचेगा? 4 4s are 16. x कितने बार है? 2 बार. बाहर आया एक बार, अंदर बचेगा एक बार. क्लियर है? 4x क्या आ गया? कॉमन. I get 1. Am I clear? Next है minus. We will take common. 4 and 1. The common is 1. Now focus. Minus कर लिया है. Common. Sign will change. 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Am I clear? Next है क्या कॉमन आ रहा है हमारा? 4x minus 1. क्या बचेगा? 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Am I clear? Next step. 4x minus 1 equals to 0. 4x equals to 1. X की वैल्यू I get 1/4. In the same way 4x minus 1 equals to 0. 4x equals to 1. X की वैल्यू I get 1/4. I hope both the roots are clear to each and everybody, those who are watching this video. Got it all? Now we are doing our last part, that is part number 5 of the first question. Focus. That part is also very easy and it is same as part number 4. Focus on comparing the general equation. I get the value of A as 100, the value of B as -20 and the value of C is what? 1. Focus. A value 100, B value -20 and the C value 1. After multiply A with C, 100 ones I got 100. Now break 100 into two parts such that I require -20. So here is what? -10 because value minus plus 10 tens are 100. But when we add we get what? -10. I get -20. Clear है? Now 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we will take out common 100 and 10. The common is 10. X square and x. The common is x. I get what? 10x minus 1. In the same way, minus will take common. 10 and 1. The common is 1. The sign will change. 10x minus 1 equals to 0. Again, the common is 10x minus 1. We get what? 10x minus 1 equals to 0. Again, we will do two steps. 10x minus 1 equals to 0. 10x equals to 1. The value of x is what? 1/10. In the same way, 10x minus 1 equals to 0. 10x equals to 1. I get x equals to 1/10. So these are the required roots of the given part. Clear? So in this video we have discussed question number 1 by factorization. In the next video we will discuss word problems. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Till then, take care. Bye. Thanks for watching.